Hello everyone and welcome to another session of GMAT by example. Today we'll talk about inequalities, specifically a very common mistake that costs a lot of you points on GMAT exam. And that mistake is cross multiplication.
So what do I mean by cross multiplication is a mistake? I'm glad you asked. As always, we will do this with some examples. Let's start with a simple one. Assume that in the question you are trying to solve for this inequality. 2x is less than 1 by x. In the time pressure of the exam, you may try to simplify the inequality by just cross multiplying. And you will come up with another inequality like this. What now you are saying is that 2x is less than 1 by x can also be written as or represented as 2x square is less than 1. But is that true? Is that right? If it were true, then the same values that satisfy the left hand side must also satisfy the right hand side, right? Okay, so let's take some easy values of x that actually satisfy the left hand side. Let's take x equal to minus 2. The inequality becomes 2 multiplied by minus 2 less than 1 divided by minus 2, which is minus 4 less than minus 0. Which is true. So x equal to minus 2 is a value of x that satisfies this inequality. If LHS and RHS were same, then the same value must also satisfy the new representation of left hand side, as you would expect from cross multiplication. Let's see, 2 multiplied by minus 2 square is less than 1. This becomes 8 is less than 1, which obviously is wrong. So x equal to minus 2 is not a value that satisfies this inequality. In fact, it has changed the inequality because 8 is actually greater than 1. What this tells us is that by multiplying x without knowing its sign, we have made a mistake. And this mistake, this simple mistake, could cost you a lot of points on GMAT exam. Let's take another quick example. Let's assume that you're trying to solve this inequality. X square is greater than xy. And again, in the time pressure of the exam, you decided to say, okay, you know what? I will do a cross multiplication here to simplify the inequality, and I will say if I cross multiply x over here, then x becomes x is greater. Is this right? Is LHS and RHS actually the same? Let's take a quick example again. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 1. Is x square greater than xy? Let's check. Minus 2 square is greater than minus 2 multiplied by 1. Obviously, a positive quantity will be greater than a negative. But is x greater than y? Which is not the case, because x is negative and y is positive. Again, the reason of this mistake is we cross multiplied a variable without knowing its true sign, and that is a strict no-no. So here is the final expert tip. Inequalities do not cross multiply a variable unless, and this is important, unless you're sure of its sign. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please do not forget to press like. For more videos on scoring high in GMAT, please subscribe to this channel and visit www.gmatbyexample.com. Thank you. Bye.